So today I'm going to be doing a few of my slimes. Going to go get the other ones, and I'll be showing you my other clear slime. So here, let's do it in a better position. It's like for you and in there. Let's do it here. Okay. So I have this slime. It's pigmented with eyeshadow, and it's like really pretty. I hope you can see that. It's really pretty. Like it's beautiful. They're done now. Okay. This one is cold because it's cold where I live, but it's pigmented purple. I made it out of clear slime, so it'll be extra clear tomorrow. I know, it's crazy. Let's do another thumbnail. Okay. Now, I have another slime. Let's get that one. Be right back. So I'm back, and I have this one, and it's okay slime. It dyes your hands. Let me show you. It's like it's a jiggly slime because it was another slime, but that other slime was too sticky. So I put it in water and activated it. Didn't go so well. This is a foam bead slime. It's very clicky, but like it dyes your hands. See, my hands get dark. Hold on, this might not be able to see it. I'm gonna make it a little darker. As you can see, my hands are green and dark. So let's just put that away. I don't like this one very much. It's like, it's not good at all. So thanks guys for watching. Hope you liked my slime video, and done with thumbnail. Wow. And I'll see you later. Bye guys. Love you.